assembly number 2, just 2 tips. If you want to insert part into an assembly, you can also take the part and drag and drop the assembly. Okay, that's a tip. Okay, and if you want to see something here, you can go, you can get this, you can get this tool, okay, and with the Alt plus G, you can add a ghost, okay. Now what I want to do is to show you the clash, the contact and the clearance between the different parts. So this one, this board we don't need. Okay, so here, create non-persistent interference simulation. Okay, so here you got between all components. Here you got the clash, contact, and the clearance. You have to set up the clearance. For example, if I put 2 millimeters, okay, if I click OK, it gives me all the connection. Okay, for example, this one. So between the piston and the pin, or the rod and the pin, or a clearance between the piston and the boom. So here it's because diameter of the pin is bigger than the diameter of the piston. So of course we got a clash. Okay, so the solution, if you don't want a clash, it's to change the diameter. Okay, and for the clearance, you can click on it. Okay, you got a clearance here because it's equal to 1 millimeter. So if you want to remove this message, you can go on your tool and remember this specification. If you put, for example, maximum 0.5, okay, if you click, you don't have the clearance. For the clash, of course you need, because it's a negative gap between the pin and the piston. Okay, so for example, for an exercise, if you want to remove these 2 clashes, you need to go with the pin. Okay, take the pin, the diameter is there. Okay, so you put, for example, 12. Okay, and now on the assembly, if you do this, okay, you got no interferences. Okay, thank you.